121, day 121. Low key, I might just always take my. That's not true. Let me not lie here. It's kind of late right now. I took a shower. That's why. But, anyways, who cares? Day 121. I don't think I mentioned yesterday, but I took a trade yesterday. I don't know why I didn't mention it. And I won. So that was good. Ah, fuck my thumb. Yeah, I won. I won yesterday's trade. It was a small one. It was a D risk, half normal risk. So instead of risking $9, I risked 5. Um, even though I'm supposed to be risking $10. But yeah, I did that, and then what I did instead. Should I do lot size? Nah, doesn't matter. Sorry. I went gym today, right? So went gym, came back, hopped on the Polymarkets, which gambling. You're right. I did lose, but today. Um, but because of my trader mindset, you don't lose all the time, and I also won. So I won more money than I lost today, and that's what matters. What matters is not losing or winning; it's securing capital and growing it, no matter how you do it. So that's what I did, and we grew like $1 today. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy. $1 like 50, I think $1.50, $1.60 wasn't too bad. But took again a trade today, and I've written my first little bit in the journal. 1% better a day. I was thinking I was writing a little bit right now. The little description to end it off. But I was thinking how I'm going to structure it, how I'm going to write it, because I also want to draw what happened in the trade today. So this is how I do it. I might change it, but for right now, this is day one. So wait, anything else today? No. Polymarket gym. That's it. Eat. This is it. I will read it, but this is about all of the writing that I want to do in a day. I don't like writing, so this is about all of it that I want to do every single day. Just this, and this is if I had a trade. Imagine if I didn't have a trade, this would be gone. It would just be this. But basically, this is how you understand it. I will do this once and only once. Don't worry, I will not. I will not do this ever again. So I drew what I saw on the charts. Right. This is after the trade. I can only do it after the trade because, yeah. I mean, you'll see why. But I drew the charts after the trade. So as you can see here, downtrend. And then you see a little down over here where that line is. That I wrote right here. It's backwards, you can't see, but it says liq, right? LIQ, meaning liquidity. All right. I do not want to type or write full words. So everything here is either abbreviated or acronym. That's it. So abbreviated, no, shortened, not abbreviated. Sorry. Liq, liquidity. So you can see you went a little bit lower. This little triangle right here. What does that say? SL, stop loss. Right? So I entered here. I did a long up to here, previous highs. What does that say? TP, take profit. So I went from here to up here, take profit, and I'll read it to you. Also this number up here, date, and it said NO. I don't know why this thing has an NO number. I don't know why it's number 4, but whatever. I just put the account balance there. $4,982. So we're down right now. But yeah, that's that. So we entered on Euro USD. Entered on Euro USD. This is the 1 hour time frame, this chart. This says bias. Today's bias. What did we think? It was gonna go down. Right, wait. Bearish. It says bearish. Bearish means down, all right? Which is crazy because I took a long today. I'll see why. Right? This is quick. Bearish, POI, point of interest. What was I looking for, all right? Of course, POI is 1 hour liquidity, right? You lick, again, you lick liquidity. U means up. That just means that the liquidity that was up. It's kind of confusing because like you would think liquidity and U for up means maybe you want to take a up, take a long. No, I was looking for liquidity on the top up to get taken out, right? And then short because I want to buy some bearish today, right? What does that say? Trade, right? What actually happened? 4HX. That looks a little weird. It means 4-hour liquidity X didn't get taken out, right? What does that say? 1H and then oh, that's a tick. Sorry, that's a tick. And my handwriting's ass, bro, but that's a tick. So that means 1 hour liquidity was taken. Which liquidity? Up or down? You can see there, D lick. You know what I mean? D lick means down liquidity. The liquidity on the bottom got taken out first. I wanted the top one. I wanted to go up, take out the top, and then we short. That didn't happen. We went down straight away, took out bottom liquidity, and went up. So you can see why I longed. Anyways, boom, simple. Just ticks, licks, D's. That's it. Confluence. What were the things to make me enter the trade? Well, you can see there. So I kind of fucked it up. I put the some here and some here. This is supposed to be there. I'll fix it up tomorrow, whatever. Why I entered, if you can see there, this is backwards, but for you, but it says 5M. Bottom one says 5M. That means 5 minutes. I was on the 5 minute candle. So I always wait for 2 5 minute confluences. Break of structure, right? 5 minute. FVG. BOS means break of structure. FVG, fair value gap. That's my 5. Those are my 2 5 minute confluences for me to go in the 1 minute chart, which I have over here. 1M. What does that say? Hard to see, but it says BOS. Bullshit. No. Break of structure, right? 1 minute break of structure. Once it went up, cool. We entered. What are we entering for? Oh, that's what I forgot to put. How much I risked. Okay. I'll put that next tomorrow. Anyways. 1 minute enter here. 1 to 1. That those 2 dots, that's just the column or whatever. I don't know. The column, all right. 1 to 1 RR. You can see there, that's a little arrow pointing downwards because this is what actually happened. We got, now that looks confusing, but that means 1 column, 1.1, which means instead of a 1 to 1 RR today, we got a 1 to 1.1 RR. We got slightly more money. Anyways, boom, trade. That was a trade. If you see up here, W. That means we won the trade. Alright? Or else I would have put 1 to 1 RR. And then the next one would have just said, what will it say? It'll probably say loss or nothing. It won't say anything. Yeah, about to nothing. Anyways. Nah, I don't want to write that. Okay, yeah, no. Fuck that shit. Anyways. Yeah, I was right. Okay, anyways, yeah, sorry, that was it. I don't know why I'm geeking out right now. These little lines up here, these one line, one line, one line. This just means this is trade. This is talk. This is me talking. See there, dailies. It says gym, yes. Backtesting, yes. Trade, yes. Education, no. I did not watch my educational video. My educational video today on trading. I'm supposed to watch some of TJR's mini boot camp that he's doing now, but I didn't watch that today. I just went on Polymarket. Kind of bad, but tomorrow. Also, I'll probably just watch and sift through more how to exit and how to enter strategies. But yeah, that's all I did. That's all I did today. In terms of ticks, my dailies. I will tomorrow. Oh, bro, why am I blanking? I want to watch. No, sorry. No, what the fuck am I saying? Oh my gosh. I was just supposed to say that went on Polymarket today, and then I also went on some Discord to try and find some people, talk to some people about trading. I'm trying to be more active in Discord to get my name up there, possibly find some friends who will become rich with me, who will trade with me, who will teach me how to trade, and who will mentor me, possibly. Still in the works, mentor, right? I will always be open to a mentor. And yeah. But anyways, all this yipper yapper right here, it basically just says what I was thinking entering the trade today. So it says no news today, right? Because there was no news today that mattered. Watched the London session with a bearish bias, a down bias. In my book, I just put an arrow meaning down. I mean, an arrow down pointing down, meaning bad, bearish bias. Went for a 1-to-1 long, which what I always do since we took out the D liquidity, which is the down liquidity. Took two trades today. I know, crazy, right? Took two trades today. Lost the first one, but took a second one since opportunity lined up. And first trade just got wicked, which was fucking gay and stupid. So yeah, that's my trade today. It was on GBBJPY, I think. Okay, I kind of. It's not here. I can't be fucked. But it was on GBBJPY. I lost that trade because it came up and literally wicked it by probably a couple, like 3, 4, maybe 5 wicks, ticks, and it just took out my stop loss. And then it kept going down. Went to my take profits. Went to everything else. Little mad. I lined up all the confluences and everything there, but I'm not gonna write that down because there's not enough space. I can't be bothered. So yeah, but I did take a win today, which was the next trade. And if I lost that trade, then I would have just instead written which trade was the bigger loss or which was the worst trade or whatever trade had more impact. Whatever I didn't do, that's what I would have put in here. But usually I only do one trade anyways. And if I don't take a trade that day, I will just write this little candle graph, whatever, and then I will write these two, what I was looking for, but I'll leave some X's because nothing happened. I'll leave some ticks because some stuff got ticked out, but I just didn't enter. You'll find out on the day what happens. But anyways, that's it. That's it for today. Little journal. They'll be a lot quicker in the other videos. This is just because the first time I wrote in the journal, I talked that much. But that's it. Boom, done. Day 121. Dubs. Lost today's trade. Went back. Won today's trade for a higher amount. So today, in total, I'm up $2. Nice. 121 deuces.